Welcome to Plant Care Garden. Today, I'm going to share a very simple way to make a natural fertilizer at home. One that is easy to prepare but can deliver surprisingly impressive results. This method is inexpensive, easy to do, and can help orchids grow healthier, develop stronger roots, and bloom more beautifully in a natural way. Watch until the end, because with just a few familiar ingredients, you can make a helpful plant care mixture for your garden. Now, let's get started. Next, I use 3 cloves of garlic, a very familiar ingredient that contains many natural compounds beneficial for anthuriums. I use the outer peel as well, because it still contains natural, active compounds and can be utilized during the soaking process. I chop all 3 garlic cloves into small pieces to increase the surface area, allowing the compounds to be released more effectively into the water. Once chopped, I place everything into a clean glass jar to prepare for the next step. Next, I use coffee grounds, a familiar ingredient that contains many organic compounds beneficial for anthuriums. I add 3 tablespoons of coffee grounds into the glass jar that already contains garlic. Then pour in about 1 liter of boiling water and stir well so the components begin to dissolve and disperse into the water. Then, I close the lid tightly and let the mixture soak for about 1 hour so the organic compounds from the garlic and coffee can be gradually extracted. This process creates a solution rich in natural active compounds that help support the root environment, improve nutrient absorption, and reduce the risk of fungal problems. After about 1 hour of soaking, the garlic and coffee mixture will turn dark brown, indicating that the natural compounds have been extracted into the water. At this stage, I carefully filter the mixture, removing all solids and residue, and keep only the liquid solution for use. Next, I add about 1 liter of clean water to dilute it, helping stabilize the concentration and keep it safe for the roots, especially young roots. Which country are you watching this video from? I'm so happy to welcome you to Plant Care Garden. Leave a comment below and let me know. It's amazing that we can connect with each other from all around the world. Then, I stir it well once again so all components are evenly distributed before applying it to the plant. Method 1. I use the garlic and coffee solution to gently wipe all Anthurium leaves, including both the top and underside of the leaves. This leaf wiping step helps remove dust, mineral residue, and surface film, allowing the leaves to stay cleaner and function more efficiently. When the leaf surface is clean, light absorption improves, and gas exchange through the stomata becomes more efficient. As a result, the plant can photosynthesize more effectively, producing more energy to support leaves, roots, and flower bud formation. When applied in a mild concentration, the garlic and coffee Solution also provides a small amount of organic compounds and micronutrients that can contact the leaf surface easily. Regular leaf wiping also helps reduce dust buildup, limits hiding places for insects under the leaves, and lowers the risk of issues such as leaf spots, yellowing, or leaf rot in humid conditions. When the leaves remain clean and stable, anthuriums maintain better growth with thicker, shinier, and healthier leaves over time. I only use this method about 2 to 3 times per month, which is enough to keep the plant healthy without putting too much stress on the leaf surface. Doing this regularly at the right frequency helps anthuriums maintain beautiful green foliage, stable growth, and readiness for sustainable blooming. Method 2. I pour the diluted garlic and coffee solution into a spray bottle, then mist it lightly and evenly over the entire Anthurium plant. When spraying, I make sure the solution covers both the top and underside of the leaves, the stem, and any aerial roots exposed above the growing medium. At a properly diluted concentration, the garlic and coffee solution provides a small amount of organic compounds and micronutrients while helping maintain a stable environment around the plant. The natural compounds in garlic help manage harmful microorganisms on the leaf surface and around the base, while the organic components from coffee help improve surface conditions for better absorption. Misting helps the solution spread evenly throughout the plant, making gentle contact with the leaves and aerial roots, allowing the plant to absorb it gradually and more steadily. At the same time, the fine mist slightly increases humidity around the plant, creating favorable conditions for gas exchange and growth, especially when the plant is recovering or preparing to form buds. When done correctly, this method helps anthuriums maintain stable growth, cleaner leaves, a more balanced surrounding environment, and better support for long-term development. Method 3. I gently water the entire growing medium with the diluted garlic and coffee solution, so the nutrients can evenly reach the root zone of the anthurium. As the solution penetrates the growing medium, the organic compounds gradually spread around the roots, helping maintain a stable moisture environment and support better nutrient absorption. Even watering also helps reduce nutrient loss while allowing the medium to retain moisture better without putting too much stress on the root system. Natural compounds from garlic help support a cleaner root environment, while the organic components from coffee help improve the medium and enhance nutrient. When the roots are healthy and functioning steadily, the anthurium can absorb water and minerals more effectively, promoting growth, healthier leaves, and better bud formation. After watering, let the plant sit in the solution for about 10 minutes before moving to the next step. After soaking in the solution for about 10 minutes, I gently lift the plant out and let it drain slightly before moving to the next step. Method 4. I use a soft cotton pad or a soft cloth to gently absorb any remaining solution on the leaf surface, including both the top and underside. This step is very important because if the leaves stay wet for too long, stomata may function less efficiently and the leaf surface can become a favorable environment for fungal growth. I always work gently, only absorbing excess moisture without rubbing hard, to avoid damaging the natural epidermal layer of the Anthurium leaves. Lightly drying the leaf surface helps reduce the risk of leaf rot, leaf spots, and other problems caused by prolonged moisture. After that, I place the plant in soft light, away from harsh direct sun, and make sure there is good air circulation, so the plant can stabilize its moisture and recover naturally. With simple ingredients like coffee, powder, rice, and a few familiar materials, we can create a completely natural Anthurium care method right at home. No chemical fertilizer, no complicated techniques. Just a little time and proper care, and the plant will reward you with healthy leaves, beautiful blooms, and lasting vitality. Anthuriums are not only beautiful, but also a symbol of vitality and good fortune. Thank you for watching Flower Care Garden. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to join me in the next videos.